On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I will be sharing with you some curry chicken foot and white rice. Once more, I haven't done that in a long time. Curry chicken foot and white rice. But before I get into that tutorial, I just want to say special thanks to all our supporters right across our 3 channels. Sending a shout out to my patrons. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description. Join us over on Patreon. I want to say thanks to all those coming onto the Amazon storefront and sending their support. Thank you so much. It is coming to the holiday season, and we have got a few stuff on our Amazon storefront. I'm just imploring you to go check them out. You might just find something that you like. Some of these little pots and gadgets and stuff that you see me use, they are on the storefront. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Our post notification shout outs today, they go right up there. So today we're going to be making curry chicken foot. Okay, I'm not going to be focusing on the white rice. I'm just going to be focusing on the chicken foot. And of course, I've got me here my little onion and my little onion, and I've also got me my little French thyme and I've chopped them, some scallions also, and I have it right here. These are some of the little gadgets that you can get on the Amazon storefront. Right on over here, I've got me a cast iron enamel pot, and I'm going to be using this. Can also be added on my Amazon storefront. I have some used chicken oil, and I preheated it on the very low before we start the video, because these pots, they are the bottom of them are very thick, so them take long to eat up like that. Okay, so that's what we are doing. We're going to be cooking up those to get them all softened, also to get some flavor into the oil. Use what you want to use. If you don't want to use any oil, fine, but this is some fried chicken oil and I am using it. That's what I'm doing right there. So I'm gonna put the lid on. So right here is my chicken foot, all washed clean like that. You know that I've showed you time and time again how to do your chicken foot. Also, I've showed you so many times how to chop your scallions and your seasoning. At this point on the Jamaican cooking journey, I don't think I should be showing you how to cook your seasonings. You have been here with me for the longest while, so we don't need to long out the video and a bore for chop seasonings. Okay, do you? Okay, so I don't want you to forget this. So you get some fresh ginger, and we are gonna grate it. You know, I showed you in more than one videos how to chop your chicken foot clean and all of them something. So we are grate our garlic with ginger. This is our ginger, of course. Chopped garlic, you know. So we did chop 5 pegs of garlic. Chop it as fine as you want. Yeah, and these are one of the little gadgets that you can get on the Amazon storefront too. Yeah, it helps you to chop your garlic, chop your ginger. It carries you faster. So even though you see me sometimes I grate it, I just want to show you that you can grate it and this can carry you real fast. And all these little spatula, you can get them to help you to clean out and all of that. All those, they're there on our Amazon storefront. Go check them out and show us some love. No, a curry, you know, I have 2 types of curry, you see them? So when I walk list, some of my walk list one. This here is a very flavorful curry. I don't want to be naming stuff and all of that. This here is my little garam masala that I made and a little other stuff. So I'm just gonna mix these 2 in. I am trying to get a mixture because I don't have the very best flavor of curry. This one is flavorful, that one, but the color is a bit off. So I'm just gonna put it down. But let me tell you something, family. I'm always telling you, I love a good curry. I do, and I know a lot of people love good curry. If you don't get your curry right, it doesn't matter how much seasoning, powdered, herbs, it doesn't matter how much you want to put on your curry chicken, your curry shrimp, your curry pork, your curry mutton. If you don't get a right blend of curry, trust me, your curry don't taste good. That's just what I know. Okay, so in the meantime, in between time, we're still seasoning up. Let's check on our herbs in here. Wow, they smell so good. Look at this. They're in there and they're softening up. Look at that. You see that? You can turn the flame down. Yeah, they have been softened, smelling so good. So I had in here some scallions, I had some chopped onions, and I had some French thyme. I don't really use thyme in a curry, but the French thyme, it has a totally different flavor from our regular thyme. I don't use regular thyme. I'm going to use rosemary and something in my curry. I don't. Okay, let's get back to the curry seasoning now. We're going to put some salt on this chicken foot. Because my herbs blend, they have no salt in them. This is some scotchy. I don't know how workless it be, but it did it. Because I can't use a lot of pepper. I'm gonna put just a little giggle or a little sprinkle, not giggle, of turmeric. Not too much. Wow, the pepper not bad, you know? Pepper not bad. I just added about a tablespoon of oil. As to the curry them so dry. Here's what I say, you can put a little water too. Okay? Dry. You can put a little water. I always put a little oil, but look at water, not a thing around. Yeah. All these kettles, you can get them on the Amazon storefront. Check it out. Show us some love in this holiday season. So here's me put a little water. When I said to you the curry is dry, look at it now. You see? You see what I'm talking about here. Now then putting at them. Rubbing them up. Next clip. Let me get my flame up, because my flame was very low, because I just deal with that something here. Okay, and remember to have, when you're using this cast iron, they are very weighty and they maintain a lot of heat. Okay, so you see that? Yeah. I don't know what I'm putting in the curry, but at the end of it, that go on. Okay, we're gonna rinse this out with just probably about a quarter cup of water or less. I use gloves, but I find that I'm using gloves too often now. I have to get myself back on gear with naked hands. But when I use curry, I normally use gloves. Because the pimento seed, yeah, me and it not friend. So this is what I did right there, right now. Removing my gloves and all of that. Not the best, of course. Not the best of curry, but look here. Curry chicken foot was say. And at this point, we have to work with what we have. See what we have there? Because we can't put no more curry. So go and cook curry. And if you notice, if you have been here with me for the longest while, you notice that I used to burn my curry. But when I do get my right Indian curry, okay, from that special person, I burn it. But otherwise, I'm not taking no chance with none of them one. Because when you burn them, they start to get dark. So look here. No more liquid for now. And I'm going to be leaving it about on the medium to let it sweat. And like that. Curry chicken foot. Seasoning is the most. Getting it cleaned up. Prepping. So like for clean it up, get the two of them off, wash them, scrub them nice and dandy. And all of that. Prepare your seasonings. That's just the most thing for it. Prep and season, and the seasoning come on that prep too. So we're gonna leave this here. I'll check back on it probably about another 15 minutes, because it's gonna, you know, it's gonna produce some extra steam, because that's what these pots do. So may I catch you now then. So this was exactly 15 minutes after fam, and you see what happened? The curry, yeah, has made some gravy and something down in the bottom there, and we are trying to get it up. You know, as I tell you, not the best of curry, but we are making the very best of it. You see that? Not the best of curry, but we are making the very best of it. So I don't know my thing. I have my hot water, I'm going to boil. So we're gonna put about half a cup right there, because you know, say a chicken foot and we did turn the flame down. So we'll turn it up back. Give it some stir. Yeah. Look at this. So you see right now, oh, this the gravy is rich. The curry, it's not bad. Could be better for me. I don't know about you, but it could have been better for me. So at this point, you know what I want to do? I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice in there. I want to squeeze a little lime juice. So the chicken foot, yeah, I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice. You see the gravy, see there? I think they had so much thickening. But I'm going to turn my flame back down and we are going to allow it to continue to slow cook. I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice, but maybe I'll squeeze it when I return in the next clip. So maybe we are on here for about 15 minutes already. And I did say to you in the prior clip that chicken steppers, chicken feet. In Jamaica we just say chicken foot, but chicken feet, yeah, you know, once you clean and season, that's it. Once you put it down in a pan, leave it for slow cook. If you have a slow cooker, you could do that. Next clip. So this is about another 20 minutes after cooking, fam, and this is what at this point I want to squeeze a little lime juice, and I'm going to tell you why I'm squeezing the lime juice. Sometimes the chicken feet, you know, it comes with a little, you know, like a little, I know, it's a light slight to the smell. When you squeeze the lime in there, it just eliminates that little. Yeah, I find that out some time ago, and this is the first time I'm sharing it with you. I like my chicken foot all cook. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes. Yeah, you see that? Just on the low. When you see me next, I'll be plating up some of this nice rice with it. Yeah, chicken foot, curry chicken foot and white rice. That's what we are having today. I'll catch you in the next clip, and at this point you should have your flavor. You know, this thing goes with some pepper, tasting of pepper. So look here, at this point you should have your own taste, your own everything. When you put your little lime or lemon juice, you taste it, it will give you just a different taste. That's a tip for you. Next clip. Here we go, cooking fam. Here we go, man. That's how I like my chicken foot. You see that? Yeah, man. As you put these in your mouth, look at that. Look our gravy. Look there. Nice and sweet. Yeah, that's how I like my chicken foot. And this is for the long belly gravy. Them you know me and a gravy smaddy, you know. Let's turn it off. Give it a minute or two, and then we are gonna come back. We'll plate up some rice, and we'll come back. Dash out some chicken foot on top of the rice, Jamaican style. Next clip. Still on the simmering because these pots will carry a lot of steam. Volcano. This is not a prim and proper. This is not a. This is just a regular something. So look here, no man. Put some chicken foot. Let's get it right. Yeah, put the chicken foot on top of our rice. And these are not the biggest ones. You see, these were small, but look here. We work with what we get, because sometimes you don't get what you want, and you have to just work with what you get. Yeah, man. Chicken foot, we say. If your belly long, this is gonna be for me. Yeah, so I'm not take too much gravy. Clean up and comes in. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. Curry chicken foot and white rice, Jamaican style. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. I'll catch you again with another video. Look here, hello. I'll sort out this now. You know your girl have no filter when it comes to them bones.